going to show you how to make the Trader Joe's croissants. Okay, chocolate croissants. Okay, so you have your box of croissants right here. And parchment paper, okay. Yeah, these are frozen, so they need to thaw overnight. I usually put these like this, see, like that, and just leave them out while you're sleeping. And in the morning, you bake them for 24 minutes. That's like 400, is it 400? 350. And then for 20 to 25 minutes. Usually takes about 20, 30, 24. That's it. This is what they will look like the next day. And now we just want to bake them at 350 for 23 to 24 minutes. Here you go. Baked at 350 for 23 minutes this time. Usually it's 24, but this time it's 23. Look how amazing. Perfect. That's how you do it. All right, guys. Have a nice day.